Hey guys, welcome back to Gaming Planet. So today I was getting bored. Yes, I was getting bored, and I was there was a song in my. Oh no, I fallen into lava. Sorry. So in the last video, I showed you guys that how to play Minecraft. So I didn't have any idea of doing Minecraft videos because I like Minecraft and I'm not able to do any cubing videos, so Minecraft it is. So I wonder how, I wonder why. Yesterday you told me about the blue sky. Comment below if you have heard this song, and this is my house. Yeah, it's pretty empty. So this is type of a stair. So this is my house. This is empty. So just give me a second and I will just do some things and show you what's inside it. So guys, I have done some things into my house. It's still pretty empty, but I've done things. So you have to tell me that where is this is a house. So can you tell me where is the house? I would give you 10 seconds. 10 seconds to comment. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If it's not enough, you can just stop the video and do it. So this is the entrance. Yeah. So this is the entrance. This is type of a cubic entrance because I like cubes. That's why. So I would go here. So that's my lava pool. And then, just wait a second. And then there is something special in my home. So this is one of my homes. I will show you my another home, which is pretty dope. So this is just like this, and there is gold, more golds, gold. Because I like underwater, that's why there is gold. And my next house is my favorite house because it has a lot of treasure. Next to next, not this. Next to next. Okay? Don't worry, this is not my house. Okay, this is my house because I like cubes. That's why cubing is great. You might be saying this is a very small house. That's why people think that it's a small house. No, it's not. So I'm here. Yes, I am. So this is some blocks that I don't know. Pretty random here also. Now the thing which I love about this house is my treasure. My own treasure. So this is my treasure. More treasure, gold. Yeah, some more things. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, another thing which is, wait, where is it? Yes. So this is some lava. Or if you want to just put some your sword, your pickaxe, or something like that. So it will just put it there. So the next thing what I wanted to do is to show my next house, because that's the topic of the video. So my favorite house is obviously Fort Glass, which is also an underground house. 3, 2, 1, go. You might be wondering, this is not a house. That might be underwater, but this is not an house. Well, my friend, you are correct, but this is to fool people. So this is type of trap. Another trap here. I will not go there because it's too long. Then here is my gold. Gold. So let me tell you, this hole is gold. So the next is more gold. Gold. More gold. I guess. More gold. Then my favorite thing. I have my own pool. Lava pool. So here is it, and the next thing is this. So just go very deep, and there you go. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for freshly brewed content. Bye.